We're now going to do part 2 of question E here, which says, what is the latest start time, so the LST, for activity N? Well, we know what that's going to be. It's going to be 9. We found that answer back in part 1 here, which is 9. Remember what we did is we said we know that it's finishing at 15 and it has a duration of 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. That's how we figured out 15 minus 6 is 9. Now, what makes this a bit odd? Now, before I talk about what makes it odd, let's just look at our examiner report. As you can see, 9 days is our answer, so 9, that's what we got. But hopefully you can see something a bit strange here, and that's the fact that 27% of people got this correct, when only 21% of people got the previous question correct. So more people got this correct than this part correct, which makes me think that perhaps VCAA expected us to answer this in a different way. Because, you know, in our working out, the only way that we could figure out that our edge needed to come off this vertex here was by first finding that the LST was 9, right? We first found that the LST was 9, then we subbed it into our formula, found the EST, and that's how we figured out where to draw it in. So it's a bit odd now that they're asking us what the LST is, considering that we had to use it to answer this question, which makes me think, is there an easier way of doing E? What makes me think that I've used the best way is the fact that there's this general confusion, it looks like, in the actual answers people have provided. The fact that less people have gotten this correct than the last one correct is quite odd. So if you've got any ideas of how to do this one in an easier way, please let me know. Maybe leave it in the comments below. But this way does work. We got our answer. And yeah, hopefully you found this helpful.